My new Disney store package just arrived. Excuse my dog, as soon as I start recording anything, he starts to show off with his toys. And so if you hear squeaking, that is Bruno. As soon as I got the email about new Halloween Disney merch, I had to check. Well, it's not everything. I think there's a drop on like August 10th of more of the ghost merchandise. There was a sweatshirt that I wanted really bad, and I wanted to just make sure it didn't sell out, of course. So obviously while I was in there, there were some few other things that I really wanted. So oh my gosh. So when we were in Dublin in April, you might have seen we brought a special stuffed animal home because they had in the Disney store there, they had some of the special Disney Japan merchandise. We have a friend joining us for this. Hi, Ronan. We brought Lucifer home from the Dublin store, and now they're all available online, and I had to get Figaro because I have a thing for tuxedo cats, in case you can't tell. Are you helping? Look! Ronan! Who's that? Who's that? Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh, I love his little blue bow. It's so cute. I love it. I'll put prices down below. I can't remember how much I paid for like anything in here. So, oh, he's so cute. I'm trying to fix the focus because the cat keeps taking the focus from me. Hi, buddy. Is this your show? I don't know if any of you saw, but hi, his reel where I brought the little ears back for him. Oh my gosh, it was one of my most popular. No one wants this earbud. No one wants this earbud. It was one of our most popular reels. I'm thinking maybe this should be his channel. What do you think, baby? Huh? Should we show them everything else? I couldn't help it, so I also got Flower from Bambi. I think it's in Tokyo. I don't know. Okay. The reason why I did this order, oh my god, the Mickey ghosts and pumpkins on it. Oh my god, I just love this purple color. It's so perfect. Can you see the little, look, the ghosts are trick-or-treating. Look at that. So cute. I am so excited. I'm probably gonna wear this every single day this fall. I did get a medium, and it's really big. It's either unisex, men's, or oversized. I probably would have gotten a small, but I'm keeping it. Okay, and then the last thing I got for my pin people, I got Minnie and Mickey from Runaway Railway to add to my little pin collection. One of these days I should show you what my pin collection looks like. Not very big, but I have some that I really love, and some of them are really old. Like I have my first one from a high school trip in 2001, so that one's really cool. Another video coming up. But anyways, that is all I got. It wasn't a big purchase, but it was mostly because I wanted the sweatshirt and this guy. He's so cute. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this chaotic unboxing.